Hello friends, welcome back to the Checkout Guy YouTube channel. In this video, let's see how we can configure a number box into your Shopify product page using Easify Custom Product Options app. So, if you want to add some custom fields like text inputs or file uploads or some extra add-ons into your Shopify product pages, this app is a perfect solution. So, let's see how we can do this with a number box. Let's get started. Before going to the video, please make sure that you are subscribed to our channel for more Shopify tips. So I have downloaded this app from Shopify App Store. You can search the Easify Custom Product Options in the search bar from the Shopify App Store. Then you can see the app like this as the result. On clicking, you can see the installation page as shown. So this page may contains like some overviews or some key points of this particular app. And also they have providing a free plan. So I recommend you to explore first on their free plan. And if this find helpful, then you can just upgrade to their paid plans. And there are some genuine reviews from different merchants available here. You can just go through this also. So after verifying all this, you can just click on install button. Make sure that you have logged into your Shopify admin panel. And once you install, you can see the dashboard consisting of an app section showing this Easify options app like this. This contains many dashboards like templates, option sets, orders, sales boosters, settings, plans, and integrations. Let's move on to option set first. And you can just click on create option set. Here you can see two options or two sections. One is custom options and other one is the product option. Let's click on add option from custom options first. And we can just search, or you can either search the number box from here or else you can see the number box from this list. So these are the options which are disabled and we need the some paid plans or we are to be in an upgrade plan in order to use all this. So click on number box. Again, click on text numbers. First one, we have to give an option name. Let's give the text, or let's give a number box as the option name. And if you want to make it as a required option, you have to enable this. So the user has to fill this in order to complete the purchase. Otherwise, you can just disable, then this field will not be a required one in the product page. And you can also have some default value if you want. Let's say like 30 or something. And place order, let's go with the enter your weight. And like the option label, you can just give the rider weight or something. I'm planning to have a rider weight number box here. And you can also set some minimum value. Let's say like 10 and to the maximum as 100. And you can just have some help text. So you can see the help text showing up here. Okay. So yeah, minimum character, let's see, go to 2. That's why the error was showing. Let's change this to the 2. Okay. So, and if you want to add some info, what happens is you can see here on clicking this, there will be a tooltip showing like help us to recommend the perfect size, snowboard size. Let's change this to see the size guide. Yeah. And if you want to change the column width, you can just go with these options. I'm recommend you to have the 100 there so that this will looks nicely on your Shopify product pages. And in next section that comes with the products. So either you can select this number a box should be present for all the product pages. Otherwise, you can just manually select the products page or the products which are the products should be or display this number box. So otherwise, you can just give some conditions for this to appear in the product page. So I'm just manually selecting the products. So I'm planning to have these three products. So what happens is when the users opens the product page of these three products, users will see the number box like this as our rider weight. So we have done, and there are some more settings over here. Currently by default it's showing for all customers, and if you are in an upgrade plan you can just go with this customer options. And there is some advanced settings also. We have to be in a upgrade plan for this to be used. Okay, so the everything done. Let's see this. So let's test this up in our online store. So this is a product which we have added the number box. So let's see how this helps. You can see the help text and the info always showing like this. And you can see the enter weight as the placeholder is showing here. And the by default value is also shown earlier as 30. And let's see some other products which we haven't added any number box. So you can see the number box is not showing up here since we have in select this product to be in our settings. So that's how you can just create a number box into your Shopify product page using Easify Custom Product Option app. So while you're waiting for, just try this out in your online store. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and also please do like, comment and share. Thanks for watching.